live your life. You steady chasing that big car, just live your life.
What's up, guys? This is video part 2 of the Grow and Define Your Booty. Part 1 is a full glute activation video, so if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave the link down below in the description box. If you're new to my channel and would like to see more videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. As always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and comment down below letting me know. Thanks for watching. There are several different ways you can do this exercise in order to grow your hamstrings. You can use dumbbells, a barbell, and also the Smith machine. In my next quick fit tip video, I will be showing you several different ways you can do this exercise and grow your hamstrings. Be on the lookout. My first quick fit tip video is actually on the glute push down for glute activation. So if you haven't seen that video, I will also leave that link down in the description box. Every now and then you may see me doing pull-ups before or after my workout. I'm just trying to get my body used to the movement again. Back when I was bulking, I didn't do too many pull-ups because I felt like I was too heavy. So now I'm trying to get back into the movement.